How do you get a color from your Google Slides presentation? So for example, you have this text that has a white color, but you don't like it. You want to use a completely different color from this image. Let's say I want to grab the green color of this leaf and I want to apply it to this text. Well, you could just manually guessing the color of this green leaf, but Google Slides comes with a color picker feature that allows you to just pick a specific pixel in a picture or in an object in Google Slides, and you can get the color code, and then you can apply it to a text, to a shape, to a background, and to so many other elements. So to do that, first I'm going to select the text that I want to change the color and then go to the color menu. By the way, it really depends on what object that you want to change the color. If you want to change the color of a shape, then you have to go to the fill color menu, but they are essentially the same. They are to change the color of the object. So anyway, let's go to this menu, and then here under the custom setting, you want to select the option that says pick a custom color, and you'll see there's this tiny tool that allows us to essentially hover above any element in the slide, and it will reveal the color that consists in that element. So for example, if I navigate around this area, you will see this color of the shirt that this person is wearing, but I can also grab the color of the leaf, which is the goal of this video. So I'm going to click here, and now we got the color code, and also it will be immediately applied to the object that we selected. The process is the same for a shape as well. So if you have a shape or if you have any other object, the process is the same. You can just select it and then use the color picker tool to grab the color, and then you can apply that color immediately to that object. So that's how you can pick a color in Google Slides.